Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing the unboxing of the Into the Blue collection by Coco Daisy. I am on the design team, so these products are sent to me so that I can create with it and give you inspiration on how to use the products available in the shop. This is the collection for July, and I have been sent the journaling kit. And then I am sent the scrapbooking core kit with the additional add-on of the 12 by 12 papers, and then the journaling cards, or I believe they call them the modern memory keeping cards. In essence, they're the Project Life cards. They have since June changed up the format, at least if I recall, for this, where things are not duplicated in each set. I was always sent the journaling cards as well as the 12 by 12, but in each one you would get, two sets of enamel dots and 2 sets of the same letters and 2 sets of die cuts. So they made a core kit where you get one of everything of that stuff that was duplicate, and then you add on the cards, and then you can add on the papers and not have the duplication occur, which has been actually fun because it was like that for last month, and that way you use more of your product up, so that's what I really love about it. So let's do the journaling kit first, and then we will do the rest. So in the journaling kit, and I did like this the last time too, it has a nice array of product, and everything remains rather flat for your journaling needs. So the washi tape is a neutral lined stripe. Very simple, but very cute. Love the colors in this collection. So we're looking at mostly blues. Let me just cut that off. Mostly blues. You got the earthy tones, greens, a little bit of a gray, and like a peachy corally colors going on too. I already know I love the kit because even look at this illustration. And there was a mermaid too on the sneak, so I can't wait to see where the mermaid pops up. So here is the prompt base card for July. It gives you some journaling ideas, which I love, and this is a beautiful illustration as well. The artist did really good. Then we have the pack of rub-ons. See, there's the mermaid. Oh, that was the mermaid too. In my house, I have a 6-year-old, and our life here is all about the mermaids and the unicorns. So she might take this stuff from me. I do. I love the octopus. The illustrations are really nice. Man, I thought I loved the May kit. The May kit was the garden one with all the beautiful floral illustrations, but this one is really pretty too. Okay, so with the journaling kit, you get the days of the week set in a couple of different fonts and banners, and then the dates. So definitely for my memory planning pages are always cool. You get the washi full sheet. This one is the ledger, as well as the full sheet of the tags and like boarding stickers and tickets. Here are the individual icons as well. It is just so sweet and whimsical. Very nice. Here is like almost like an aqua green, minty green. It's not picking up really well. It's a green alpha, and then more icons, and I need vitamin C. Oh yes, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. Okay, let's get into the core kit. So the core kit, let me get this open. Okay, so for the core kit, the washi tape looks to be like a little bit of a watercolor moment. So pretty. Look at it. It goes from the blues to the yellows to the orange. Oh, yes. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, we have another pack of alphas. These are the die cuts. And some vellum circles with silver foiling. And the letters are like a marine blue. Hard to see in this. Let me see if I can show you. Like a marine blue. There you are. There you go. Very good. And the size of these, let's see, just for reference too, look like about a 1 inch. A little bit bigger, like a 1 1/4 inch in height. So that's good for some titles. Let me get the title. So we got the alphas, we got the vellum circles with the foil. We, of course, always have the enamel dots with glitter. And it's like the green, dark green blue, that mariner blue, a little bit of an aqua, a little bit of a sea foam, and then like 2 like sandy colors. Still get the letters. Here is the stamp, the crab, the little compass. Life is better at the beach. Enjoy the summer. Life is good. Summer. And then a tag. We have some more die cuts with sentiments. Everyone should believe in something. I believe I should be at the beach. Summer should get a speeding ticket. Very cute. More little die cuts. And remember, their die cuts are always self-adhesive. So that means you just peel off the back and they already have sticky stuff. So they're all like little travel tags. Here's some anchor, a seahorse, a compass, little tickets, a lot of layering pieces. Lots of layering. Little geotags. Life is an adventure. Chipboard. Love the colorway. I love the kind of mariner blue, you know, aqua color, the mint, the coral, and the light brown tones. Love it. Here are the rub-ons. Look at her hair and look at her braid in that one too. Oh, and we also get Puffy Alpha in a blue. And then the 6x8 pages. So let's see, there's always 2 per everything. So it does have the octopus again. This is beautiful. Beautiful. And then anchors repeating. Then we have sort of the compass in the corners, very like mixed media, very pretty. And then the ledger. And then this is the repeat. That's the repeat of that. And then the stripe, this is a colorway and also similar to the washi. And then like a map with a tone-on-tone green. Really pretty. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is real pretty. I want to create. All right. Then for the journaling cards, let's start off with the 4x6. We have the July and then the calendar. This has been repeated every month. So if you use them for your title cards in your project life, that works out perfectly. Here are the tags and then the repeated. Love the journaling. Bon Voyage and the ledger. Best escape anyone can have with like a beach. And then like a little postcard. And then continuing on. Welcome aboard. That is like the photorealism pictures again and the anchors. Oh, it's a sunny day. Ooh, love that. I live in Florida. Love that. Summer. Columbus Beach. Wave. Love that. It's funny. Happier than a seagull with a... And that's the photorealism again, too. Knots. Like octopus leg. Mermaid off duty. Oh, you guys. Oh, the waves. Oh my God, I love this collection. Yes. Yes, everything I can use. Every summer has a story. I love that. I was made for sunny days. That is really cute. Yes, this one. This kit I love. I love everything. I love all of those. I will use all of these. I will use every single one of those cards. Those are beautiful. All right. And then last but not least is the 12x12 paper. And this one I have to use. I have to use it. Look at that detail. I need to figure out how to use this. I need to be creative. And then the anchors are on the back of that one. There's the stripe with the tone-on-tone map. Palm trees repeating. And then the tickets, similar to this. There's the mermaids. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this needs to be framed. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. With the repeating shell, tone-on-tone, seashell. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And then the ledger. This is gorgeous. I'm in love. And then this tone-on-tone one, this would be the good background, and then the repeating anchors. This is a good background. Oh my God, you guys, I'm smitten. I'm smitten with this collection. This is beautiful. Okay, that will be my unboxing of the, let me make sure I get it right, the Into the Blue kit from Cocoa Daisy. This is available for the month of July, but we are always a month ahead with Cocoa Daisy ordering. I am leaving this one up as an unboxing only. That way you can add to your box or add a subscription if this is something that you would like to get your hands on. Because usually I kind of wait to create and then kind of have all my videos ready to go for July, but this is too beautiful for me to wait. So I'm going to post the unboxing and then wait till June when I put up all my project videos. But I really just want you to have the ability to order it, add it to your subscription, or make a new subscription. I will have everything linked down below. So remember, I got the journaling kit, right? This is the journaling kit. Then I get the scrapbooking core kit with the memory keeping cards, and then the 12 by 12 papers. This was what I unboxed, and I will leave that linked down below for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. Go visit Cocoa Daisy. And until next time, bye.